Hello and welcome. Basically, this is another update on my e-bike. Yeah, so as you can see, it is upside down because I'm about to repair a puncture that happened just last night, and hence, yeah, it's going to be a bit tricky here because I've added an extra chain to it. And it's rusted as fuck back here, but it's still going. That's the main thing. But it also presents an opportunity while it's up like this to give a more in-depth look at how it is actually put together. Not necessarily suggesting you do a e-bike this week, but there might be some useful tips. Who knows? Let's do this. So first of all, we've got this 240 watt what do you call it? AGM sealed lead acid battery. It said 40 watts, which confused me at first, but it turns out that it is 240 watts. It's got 6 cells in it, and it was referring to 40 watts per cell. So anybody that's buying a battery like this one, basically that's the tip there. You need to work on it, multiply by the wattage by 6 to give a 2 wattage. What you get, and you can see that I've wired it up with some 42 amp wire for direct current, because the wires that came with the inverter over there was about 15 quid, but kept on overheating and it was beeping all the time, and it just really disassembled it well properly. And I've done it this way because it was, what do you call it, I was originally using a clip such a fast to actually put on, especially when it was putting it in this pannier bag, especially when it was dark, and also every now and then they'd come off, and we stuck it outside and we were trying to stick a crocodile clip back in on something electrical, which is ideal. So hence got this plug socket thing from Wilko for £2.50, and then I've wired this plug up here, and that's replaced the crocodile clips. That's it. Let's plug that in like so, nice and safe. And then to this, we'll just turn this on here. Green lights, red light is loaded, and it's beeping. That's same story. And so, and then that leads to the vent grinder, which is then hooked up to the chain through some guides made out of bits of some old tools and electrical tools and other things which I mentioned wires, repair wires, and it's all basically keep forgetting the code now. What do you call it? These thingies here. The straps. Anyway, enough waffling. I'm going to now switch on the wall lamp switch over here, which is nice beep because it's overloaded. There we go. There we go. That's it's on steam. Of course, as it keeps going, I have to pedal. I have no choice. God, it's really rusty underneath here. I need to clean them often, but hey, let's turn it off. But there you go. That's one of my knackered old bicycle, which I've been e-biked a bit. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.